Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your life. Friends, my today's video is very beautiful and very creative DIY types trendy design ideas of hand embroidered mobile covers. Friends, these mobile covers are very beautiful and at the same time they look very chic, classy and attractive. And one more thing, that these patterns are very easy to make. You can use 1 to 2 embroidery stitches to make these patterns. For making these mobile covers, take some hard leather fabric stuff or some cotton, soft cotton, or you can take some linen or cambric stuff for making them. And for embroidery patterns, very beautiful and easy stitches have been used. For filling the flowers, a very easy and first step of beginner embroidery stitch, lazy daisy stitch has been used. You can make this whole entire pattern by using lazy daisy stitch. And friends, not only this thing, you can use these patterns in a variety of ways for making and creating your DIY special creative items. Like you can make these on key rings, keychains, and you can make these patterns onto designing of your face masks as well, because as coronavirus is a very pandemic situation and it is very dangerous to handle, but face mask is a very prerequisite requirement that you could stay protected. And face mask embroidery designs are very trending these days, so you can try these onto your face mask, glasses, covers and number of creative stylish DIY type things. So stay blessed. Thank you so much for watching the video, and do watch the video till end so that you could get all amazing design ideas. Stay blessed.